Here is another recap of my recent progress with the game engine. The main focus of this week is purging static data from the codebase. As a reminder from last week, in order to organize the engine into a data hierarchy and allow shared library communication to work, removing static variables and systems from the engine is important. So at the start of this week, I focused on breaking down my engine service class, which has been a singleton class up until now. The new engine structure fully encapsulates the engine's functionality and data into one class, allowing it to be shared throughout the codebase. Later in the week, I started to work on structural code for the new engine data hierarchy. I started with the system and system handler classes. The system class allows me to represent the initialization, termination, and update functions of an engine system as an object. I can then provide these functions to the system handler to call these functions in the order that I specify using priority values. Also, since iSystem is an interface, I can connect both compile time and runtime defined systems in the same context, allowing for live reorganization of system function calls. As a final note about systems, I can speed up the final build of a game project by breaking the system down to the actual function calls using late-stage metaprogramming. Towards the end of the week, I created a shared data registry class, which allows me to store variably sized opaque data using an integer key for unique data identification. This allows me to optionally instantiate data for various modules without having to be aware of the type. This is the mechanism that allows optional data to exist in the data hierarchy diagram. Also, the registry takes in an allocator during initialization, so this class can work well with a linear allocator during the runtime. During my recent stream, I continued my work purging static variables and systems from the codebase. I was able to break down static singleton classes in the physics and audio modules. Other than that, we were mostly chatting about various coding topics and whatnot on stream. So that's it. If you want to watch the recent stream, the video is on my YouTube channel. And if you want to stop by or you have any questions, I'll be streaming this Friday again at 3 p.m. Alright, later.